Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to understand how to build an AI assistant for your information technology IT services business. For example, you have an IT services business and you got many queries from your users at once. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create an AI assistant in where at first we will create an AI agent. After that, whenever your user send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your AI assistant will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create an AI assistant for your IT services business, let me give you a quick review about how this assistant will respond to your clients instantly by sending any message to my AI assistant for IT services. Here I am writing a message that is I need help. Then you can see the AI assistant will respond to me automatically. I am ready to assist you. Could you please provide me more details about what you need help with? So here I am asking one question. Here I send it. See, it will respond to me like this, that to get started with our IT services, you can reach out by starting a WhatsApp chat or just sending your project idea through our website contact form. After that, here I am again asking another question. Do you offer IT consulting or audits? Here I send it. You can see the AI assistant will respond to us within a second that yes, we provide IT consulting services including digital transformation, planning, system audits, infrastructures assessments and technology roadmap creation. Now again I am asking one last question. What is your pricing model? Then you can see it will respond to us like this. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated AI assistant for your information technology services, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. This is right over here is Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced similar challenges like you. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. So the link to join this amazing community is in the description box. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. Here you can also add multiple folders and in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account with the help of this button that is plus add WhatsApp number. If you are click on this then you can see it will provide you two options that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number or verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. The next one is the Inbox in where you can store all the messages of your customer and you can respond them here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the Contacts in which you can list off your WhatsApp contact who interacted with your bot and also see contact details, create segments, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queues in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once. The seventh one is the flow, where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the records of the actions and events you have performed within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings and the 11th one is the get help. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am clicking in this AI assistant option. So this is the page where we can create an AI assistant for our different type of businesses, in where we can train our AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I am going to click on this plus add AI assistant button. Here you can see it will ask you to give your assistant a descriptive name. As we are creating an AI assistant for our information technology services business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided that is AI assistant for IT services business. After that I am clicking on this add AI assistant button. So here you can see this is the starting point of creating AI assistant for your IT service business, where I am going to select the instruction type as AI agent. It will automatically provide the instruction type. You can also write more instruction here if you want to. Then you can see it will ask you to set the temperature. It represents how creative the AI answers you wanted. You can also increase this as well as decrease this. I'll set this as 0.5. Now in the next, you have to select the AI model that I am going to select as OpenAI. After that, the select model, you can see it will provide you multiple models. Here I am choosing GPT-4o mini. After that, you can see it will ask you for the API token that you can generate from your OpenAI API key page. So this is your OpenAI platform, where on the left hand side section you can see different options are there, where you have to go this API key option. Here I am clicking on this. Then you can see it will provide us one API key page where we can generate our new API key by clicking on this plus create new secret key button. See, it will ask us to provide the name of our API key. It is optional. And the project form I am going to select as default project, and the permissions are there, that is all, restricted and read only. So I am going with all. After that I am going to click on this create key button. Here you can see our API key is generated successfully. Then I am going to copy this API key from here and paste this key to the option where my AI assistant will ask me for the API key. After that I am going to click on this done button. So here I am writing the API token. Here I write it. After that I am clicking on this connect button. Then you can see it will provide you one notify, that is OpenAI key saved successfully. After that you can see it will provide you multiple AI settings, that is header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempt and fallback message. You can enable any of these if you want to. Here I am only enabling this fallback message, as whenever my AI assistant does not know the answer of my user, then it will send this fallback message to my user. Now the next one is the knowledge source. When you click on this, here I am going to upload one file of knowledge source that I have already created before in the plain text format. So here you can see this is our knowledge source for IT service business, in where you have to click on this file option and download this file in plain text. See, it is downloaded. Then you have to click on this, select this file and drop this file here. See, our file is uploaded successfully. The next one is the assistant interface, where you can write the header of your assistant, that what you are creating. As we are creating an AI assistant for our IT service business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. You can also see the example of the message that were delivered to your users, in where I'll write the subheading as we are online and happy to assist you, while the initial message I'll write as hi there, how can I help you today. You can also enable or disable this label, that is powered by Pabbly, that you have seen here. Here I use the footer text as privacy and policy, and also mention the footer link. If you does not add link footer, text will show as text. The user first message I'll write as I need help. The next one is the styling, in where you can make the changes on the styling of this message that you want to deliver to your users. Now our AI assistant is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to enable this so that your AI assistant will become active. and click on the Save AI Assistant button so that it will saved. Also in this inbox section, you have to select your AI assistant from here and enable this toggle. Now I'll give you a quick review about how our AI assistant will work. Here I am again sending one message to my AI assistant of IT services. Here I am writing a message as I need help. Here I write it. See, the AI assistant will respond to me automatically. That is, of course, what do you help with? Feel free to share the details. I'll do my best to assist you. So here I am asking one question to my AI assistant related to the IT services. Here I write it, that is, what IT services do you provide? See, the AI assistant will respond to me automatically. That is, we provide a variety of IT services including website development, mobile app development, UI UX design, cloud hosting, IT consulting, cybersecurity solution, as well as customer software development. Now again I am asking one another question. Do you develop mobile apps? See, it will respond to me like this, that yes, we design and develop mobile application for both Android and iOS platforms. Now I am asking one last question to my AI assistant. What technologies do you work with? Then you can see it will respond to us like this. So this automated AI assistant is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of feature AI assistant that are available in Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.